Experiment 39. Don't blow your stack. Tools needed from kit: volcano base and volcano model, connective tubing, syringe, yellow measuring spoon, beaker. Ingredients needed from kit: black sand from packet number 11, tools needed from home, a white piece of paper, and a pen. Directions: assemble the volcano just like before. Make a contour map by drawing circles around the volcano mold, each circle larger than the one before. Erupting the volcano. Take out the plunger part of the syringe. Put the syringe without the plunger part into the end of the tube. Add half a packet of black sand to the other part of the syringe. Put the plunger back into the syringe slowly and carefully. Press the plunger down into the syringe really quickly and watch where the debris goes.